I signed up hoping for the best, and it really changed my life for the better. My life just spun around 360 degrees. How it changed my mindset and how this has improved not only the quality of my life, but also it's beneficial for my career and anyone I meet, really, because now I look at life and I look at me and say, if I don't look after me, how can I look after anyone else? I had to learn how to say no, and I did do that. So it was about 2 months ago. I got rid of all the roles that I could not commit to, and I now feel so liberated and ready for the third year of university and hopefully get through it and get the degree I want. And I will carry grit wherever I go.